In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings on your Yahoo Mail account. Whether you're looking to practice a new language or simply prefer to navigate your inbox in your native tongue, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, let's get started by heading over to the Yahoo Mail website. Open your preferred web browser and type in mail.yahoo.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your account using your Yahoo credentials. If you haven't logged in already, enter your email address and password, then click on the Sign In button. After successfully signing in, you'll see your inbox. Now look towards the top right corner of the page where you'll find your account icon. It might be a small circular icon with your profile picture or initials. Click on this account icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select the option that says Manage Your Account. Clicking this will take you to a new page dedicated to all your account settings. This page is your hub for customizing how Yahoo Mail works for you, and today we're focusing on changing the language. Next, locate the Personal Settings section. This is where you can adjust various personal preferences. Click on Personal Settings and you'll be presented with several options regarding your account preferences. Among these options, find and select Preferences. This will open up a new set of options that allow you to tailor your Yahoo experience to better fit your needs. Now, within the Preferences section, look for the Language Preference option. Clicking on this will bring up a list of languages that Yahoo Mail supports. Here's where you can choose the language you'd like to use. Scroll through the list and select your preferred language. Once you've made your selection, don't forget to click Done to save your changes. This final step ensures that your new language settings are applied to your Yahoo Mail account. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the language of your Yahoo Mail account. Your inbox, settings, and any other Yahoo Mail features will now be displayed in the language you selected. If you ever wish to switch languages again, simply repeat these steps. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.